Hello and welcome to Rogers Arena here in Vancouver, British Columbia, as the Canucks are taking on the Colorado Avalanche. I'm Thomas Rosie. We're listening to Canucks Radio here at EA Sports Plus. Thatcher Demko in net for the Canucks. We're just over 3 goals against average, .906 percentage. So, we open that save percentage from carrying through. Georgiev is in net for the Avalanche, coming formerly the original team, the New York Rangers, which he was traded from. We are on the way here. Quinn Hughes will start off now. Ekman Larson back on to Quinn Hughes. On to Anthony Beauvillier. Out through center now. Quinn Hughes gets it back. Passed on for Oliver Ekman Larson. It's dumped to the corner. Brock Besser now. Now pass it out there. McKinnon took it back by Beauvillier. Lost it. Picked up by Mikko Renton on the rush. Trying to get in over the line and does. But no, that shot knocked away. Vancouver. Pedersen. Out for Brock Besser. On the side. Stops. Waits. Now Ekman Larson. Back around Besser. Now Quinn Hughes. Ekman Larson. I'm going to get a shot there now. McKinnon takes it back now. Rantanen. Out to center. Just getting on through the line. Also, Ekman Larson with a steal. Here he comes. Oh, he took a big hit. Ekman Larson. McKinnon. Oh, a bad play. He's going to break away. Knocked away by Demko. Keeps the game scoreless. Incredible stuff there. JT Miller and Tyson Jones for the face-off. No score in this one. 15:35 remaining in period number 1. 4.5 minutes passed. Eric Johnson, my apologies. Can get a shot there. Kyle Myers gets it out. On Tanner Pearson. 2-on-1. Oh, it was shot off. Now Georgiev. It was JT Miller. JT Miller and Tyson Jones for the draw. Pearson to Miller's left and Ferland to his right. Off the face off Vancouver. Tanner Pearson and Schmidt. Over to Miller. Holding that blue line. Kyle Myers trying to get after Miller. Lost it down the corner. Picked up by Devontae. Out there for Tyson Jones through center. Lost it. Picked up by Schmidt. And Schmidt again. Schmidt turns to the front. Intercepted by Devontae. Gets it back out now. Burakovsky. It's getting on over the line and does. Holds outside in the corner now. To the front. Intercepted by Nate Schmidt. Gets it out to JT Miller. On that rush to Pearson. Pearson with speed. Oh, they're doing a shot save there. Canucks. You're doing scores! Zach McEwen and the Canucks are on the board. It's 1-0. So, the initial shot did not go. Then the puck goes to the corner. Pearson gets it back. McEwen positions himself to create a lane between those two. And Pearson finds the lane, gets the pass over to McEwen. Nice shot. Vancouver leads 1-0. So 11:50 remaining. 1 minute 10 seconds gone by here in the first. No, 9 minutes 10 seconds. Robert down low. Now McHugh picks back up down low behind zone goal line. Now Jay Beagle. On for Travis Hamonic. Lost it there. Picked up by Linus Donskog. Lost it there. Edler can't get after it. Now Hoaglander back skates to it. Jay Beagle got out to center and over the line. Moving on in. Wait. There's a shot there. Saved glove by Georgiev. And he holds on. Center off that draw now, Belmar. Belmar on through center, skating on through over the line. Now BC takes it back. Travis Hamonic through center. Still with it. Still holding on to it, but he lost it there now. Belmar down low. Patrick Nemeth with possession for the Avalanche. Here they come. JT Comfort. In across the line. Top of the circle. Spins around. Now with a shot saved by Demko with the glove. Now over to center. Intercepted Comfort, couldn't get a shot. Loose puck. BC. Out for Sutter. Intercepted by Nemeth. So, takes it back. Sutter. On that board, so he'll turn back. Out of the front. The shot just wide the net. 5:47 remaining. Back around the board. On base for that shot. Second glove, Georgiev. And he holds on. Vancouver's been playing really well here in the first. Some good chances. And some really good defensive play too. On their own end. We'll just see it. Nice glove save there right after that go. He gets his glove up. Tracks that puck. Launches exactly. I mean, he can tell exactly where it's going to go. So he puts that glove up, grabs it, makes the save. David Landeskog for Avalanche off the draw. After the neutral zone, Jim Ujora takes over. Over the line with an 8 to the front. Shot, save of the pad by Demko. Schmack, Bostic, Landeskog. McKinnon to the front. Shot, another center ball by Demko. Now for Brock Besser. Besser skating on. Holding. Surprise shot, save. Besser gets it back. One person to the blue line. 3:05 remaining period. Shot there blocked. Colorado gets it out by Landeskog. Knocked away. Landeskog. Out for Rantanen. Knocked away. Oh, a trip. Mikko Rantanen got tripped up. We'll take a look at this one. Oliver Ekman-Larsson in the penalty box for tripping. Right there. Tripped up Mikko Rantanen. So Canucks shorthanded. That's the first setback this evening. See how it affects them. Burkowski can get a shot there. Demko hands it off Schmidt. Can't clear it out. Kept in. Tyler Ernst gets it back behind the goal. He'll clear it out. Kept in by Eric Johnson. Now they're battling on the board. Burkowski on the front. Play some jokes. Burkowski's shot just wide of the net. Back around the board. 1:25 remaining. Eric Johnson picked up by Sutter. Gets it all out. It will go down in the Colorado end. Eric Johnson takes it back down low. On for Dyson Jones getting out to center. Over the line, he'll move in. Knocked away there. Jones back on it. Top of the circle to the front. Just wide. Jay Beagle. Defending. Tyson Jones now. In the corner. Out of the front. Shot. Saved by Demko. And then Schmidt gets it back out. Sutter on the rush. 4 seconds. Time winding down in this one. Back to even strength. Final seconds. Period 1 is it's forked back in with 2 seconds remaining. As period number 1 is in the books. So Canucks lead 1-0 after 1. You're listening to Canucks Radio here on EA Sports Plus. I'm Thomas Rose. Stick around for period number 2. After this, it's 1-0 Vancouver. Stick around. Period number 2 is on the way, and it is Zach McEwen with the only goal for Vancouver. Stick around for the second after this. So 6 shots apiece for each team. Also 1 hit apiece for each team. So not a very physical game. Very slow-paced game, but Colorado doing better in the face-off department. In the 1-man advantage caller. The 1 penalty by Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Colorado does not capitalize. He's a 1-0 Vancouver. Zach McEwen with the only goal. That was his second shot of the evening. Enjoy the second. Let's go Vancouver. Period number 2 about to begin here in Vancouver, British Columbia. In Rogers Arena. Alright. Elias Pettersson will start up against Nathan McKinnon. Jordan on the face-off. There they go. Jordan shot blocked. Canucks get down low. Elias Pettersson 1-0 Vancouver as we get back into it for period number 2. The way over the line, can get a puck. Pettersson takes over. Drops back to the blue line, Quinn Hughes. On for Ekman-Larsson there. Now Brock Besser has it back. On for Quinn Hughes again. There's one. Scores! What a shot by Quinn Hughes, the defenseman, and Vancouver leads by 2. Boy, does he just pound this one down. He just like old days. Well, he doesn't weigh as long as they used to weigh in like the 80s and 90s, but he's just something similar. He slows down, chops up, winds up, then powers that one past Alexander Georgiev. That's a hard name to say. And gives Vancouver Canucks a 2-0 lead over the Avalanche. Elevate Besser and Ekman Larson with the assist. Colorado in the front. They score! Kale McCarr. Oh, wow. Did you see that one? No, you didn't, but... Oh, baby. Look at this. God, just fooling everyone. Almost seems like he's going to go behind the net. Then he cuts to the middle at the last second. And goes forehand, backhand. Wow. Well done. Well done. Again with the assist. And Colorado Avalanche are on the board. Now Patterson over the line. Knocked away there at the blue line. Nico Renton then gets back. Here they come. Nico Renton for the Colorado Avalanche forced to the side. Got towards the close to the blue line and to the goal line. Straight over the shot. Saved by them for the glove. Really good stretch out there, and what a nice goal save. Gerard gets it back out. Out to center. He'll cut back in the middle of the line. Back to Renton takes back shot. Save. Vancouver. Down low. And around Tanner Pearson. 5 minutes gone by. Brock Besser out to center. Getting on through. Besser. The front shot. Off the crossbar and stayed out. Lewis Pearson on the board. Down H. Schmidt. Down for Tyler Myers. The pass. Besser. Pearson couldn't get a shot. And Georgiev grabs it. And he holds on. Colorado right in the front there. Nice save attack by Demko. It's been pretty good all night. Avalanche still lead by 1. It scores 2-1. Vancouver over the Avalanche. On face-off, Brandon Saw. Out to center. Skating on through over the line. Tyler Myers gets it back. Now Nate Schmidt. Around for Furlan. To the neutral zone now JT Miller. Cutting in. With a shot just wide of the net. And around Nate Schmidt. Nate Schmidt. Bounce to the front. He scores! Nate Schmidt right at the front of the net. And the Vancouver Canucks lead by 2. It's 3-1. Takes it along that side, and he holds it on his forehand. Right in the front. Waits a little bit more. And at the right time, the quick shot. And the Canucks lead 3-1. Oaklander gets it back. As Winston takes it away. Egan's going by in the second. Here comes Colorado over the line. Shot there is saved by Demko. Vancouver defense, they gotta get back to what they were doing earlier. It seems like they're just a bit lazy at times. They gotta get back to what they were doing earlier in the first. They were pretty good. And they kind of maxed a little much. Oaklander for Vancouver. Now for Zach McEwen up the middle. Wow, awesome. Jason just picked it up. Just for the Avalanche, getting on there over the line. Shot, save! Connects to the back, now Zach McEwen on for Nate Schmidt. On for Jay Beagle. Out for McEwen through center. Skating on, lost it. Canucks. Intercepted by Devontae's. Now to Donskoy skating on there over the line. Going outside, but a move from the middle, knocked away by McEwen. Out to center. Skating, knocked away by Patrick Nemeth with a skash. And here comes Colorado. Shot, save, Demko. Ramming it down low. Finds VC. Out to center, waiting on there, Hoaglander. In the zone now. Vancouver. Jay Beagle. After the blue line, but he lost it. Goes all the way out and down. Alexander Edler. Hamonic. Jimmy VC again. Beagle. To the middle. And for the shot. Side of the glove by Georgiev, and he holds on. Well, the one-timer there, you can see, well, we can, I can see that, so Demko does a really good job tracking the one-timer. You can see it, and then gets in position, grabs it with a glove. Keeps Colorado up for next round. Keeps Flyers to just the one goal. Rousseau over the line offside, as his teammate was in front of him. Both teams out with their bottom line. So, Center and Comfort as well as Pierre Belmar for the Avalanche getting some time. Wait for the Golden Knights. Belmar to the front. That shot blocked by Edler. He'll go down low. Now for VC. Now Hamannik. Vancouver. Knocked away there. VC to the front. VC. Knocked away. Vancouver. Backhand miss. Center. Passes. They score! Roussel! Antoine Roussel and the Canucks extend their lead. Now it's 4-1. So, Minnesota gets it in the corner. He'll spin around. And then Roussel from the middle. He moves into the slot. Gets in position. And then fires on the one-timer. And it beats Alexander Georgiev. It's 4-1 Vancouver. They're having a very good night. Drawing off the line, putting the ball around to center. Over the line, knocked away, but here over Belmont. To the front, couldn't get there. Vancouver gets it back down with J.T. Miller. 3:13 remaining in the period. J.T. Miller out to center. Edwin Larson knocked away by Comfort. Gets it back for Colorado. Comfort to the front. Shot, center the pad. Comfort, another try. That one hit the side, down low. Colorado lost it, picked up by Edwin Larson, former Coyote. On for Ferland. And around the boards, dumps it in. Race after Pearson. Gerard gets to it first. His own Colorado break out. They'll start the rush. The neutral zone. Oh, lost it. There's Gompers up to the front. Renton good, get a shot. Vancouver back out to center ice. J.T. Miller. Final seconds. Back to the line. One more shot for line. Save. Up high, Georgiev. And he holds on with 1.1 remaining in the period. So period number 1 on the box, one more shot. No, not enough time as the clock runs out. Period number 2 in the box. It's a 4-1 lead for the Vancouver Canucks. Really good second period. A lot of goals. It's 4-1. You are listening to Vancouver Canucks Radio on EA Sports Plus. I'm Thomas Heroes. They lead 4-1. You're home over the Colorado Avalanche. Stick around for the third. After this, it's 4-1. In terms of shots, actually pretty close. 13-12 Canucks, but that's the weird thing. Based off the shots alone, it's pretty close, but Vancouver, they're more physical. Still not very. 3 hits to just Colorado's 1. But Vancouver is definitely struggling in the face-off circle, but they are definitely able to overcome that. Just winning 5 out of 17 face-offs. So just one, no penalties given up since that first one by Oliver Ekman Larson. Nothing since the tripping call. They now have a 4-1 lead. There you go. Let's hope they hold on. Enjoy the third. So period number 3 back again. Vancouver with a 4-1 lead. 20 minutes. All you have to do is hold on. Let's see how good of a job they do. Quinn Hughes will start off. Offside. Some great fans dancing. Here's Pearson in the neutral zone against Nathan McKinnon, both teams with their top line. McCarr off the draw. After center, now McKinnon skating on into the line. On that side, lost it down low. The Canucks. Quinn Hughes. Lewis Patterson lost it. Gerard tipped it in. And McKinnon to the front. Here's McGonagall. Shot. Oh, reacted wide. McKinnon down in the corner. Forced out. Ekman Larson gets it back for the Canucks. Now Bavelier. Knocked down. Patterson waits. Shot. Score! What a wrister by the captain. It's 5-1 Vancouver. Elias Patterson. So, off the feed from Bavelier as he gets checked in the boards. Patterson over the line. Drifts, white slings right at the top of the circle. Then he wrists one right under the bar. An absolute beautiful wrist shot. And it beats Georgiev for the 5th time tonight. He's having a rough night. Canucks just... I'd say this is starting to become a blowout at this point. 5-1 Vancouver. Now the draw by Hughes, now Ekman Larson. Back on for Hughes. Intercepted by Landeskog, now McKinnon. Out to center, skating on through, lost it. Picked up by Gerard, he's knocked down. Kellen Conn, now for McKinnon. Oh. Right there, oh, they're gonna drop the gloves. Right? Oh, here they go. Landeskog and Ferland. Bam, drop the gloves, there go. Going in the Vancouver zone. Oh boy. Ferland's helmet just came off. They're still fighting. Still going, and Ferland takes Landeskog to the ground. No. Definitely just gonna increase Vancouver's morale after that one. You can hear the fans as well. Quite loud here in Rogers Arena. Rogers. Face off. Colorado. Starting off. DC to the front. Look at the shot off Hoglander. Lost it there. Picked up by Jay Beagle. Now back to the line VC. Tanner Pearson. Back to VC. Shot save. Eric Johnson picks it up. Eric Johnson kept to the side. Hoglander took it back. Vancouver. There's one really but missed the net. Devontae gets it back down low for Colorado. Delaney trying to cut off the room. Soderberg grabbed to center, skating on for Colorado. Losing over the line. Soderberg done well for the Avalanche. We're not able to help them get out of the 4-goal deficit they're facing. Now Hoglander. A shot, save the glove, Georgiev. And the better saves he's made this evening. He's made too many good ones. A rough night, definitely. Although he is a really good goaltender. Even the best of goaltenders have rough nights. There would be a good example. Our face-off Schmidt. On wide. They're actually broken up by McKinnon. After center Burakovsky hit down through the line. Andre Burakovsky. The front. Intercepted by Tanner Pearson. JT Miller. Dumps it in around the boards. Picked up by Gerard. Down low behind the net. Loose puck knocked away there. JT Miller gets it back down low. In behind the net. At the front. Gerard with an interception. Simon Gerard. Keeps it. Skating onto the neutral zone. Get the rush going for Colorado. Back to the corner there, Vancouver. Did a good job of the defense once again. Bavelier. Acquiring the tree for Horvat. Shot, save. Nemeth gets it back to Colorado. Half a period remaining. Colorado over that blue line. Andre Burakovsky to the front. Shot, save by Demko. Side, can get a shot off. Another shot blocked by Patterson. Myers. Back on for Elias. Over the line to the outside. Today to Miller, stick by Nemeth. Brandon Saad takes it back. The former Chicago Blackhawk plays. Tyler Patrick Nemeth, actually. And he comes over the line. In the slot, knocked away. Ekman Larson gets it back, but he lost it immediately. Bavelier now Ekman Larson behind the net for Vancouver. BC. Now for Bavelier. Right there for Quinn Hughes. Hughes. Scores his second of the night. Quinn Hughes. It's 6-1 Vancouver. That's the second goal of the evening. On the line. Waiting in the slot. And right in front of the net goes tuck corner to beat Alexander Georgiev once again for a second goal tonight. Well done. Yeah, Colorado defender is completely. He thinks he's just gonna drift out of the corner. Quinn says, "Thanks for not doing anything." Just rips on top shelf. 6-1 Canucks just complete. It is just a demolish at this point. Quinn Hughes now with Larson, 6 minutes remaining. He's on for Sutter. Colorado obviously not having a great night. Sutter gone for Namath. Now Calvert. Graves at center. Over the line lost. Down spot. Pick it back up. Now Calvert. Offside for Colorado. Obviously the Avalanche. Defense is definitely their concern. It's their defense. It's not Georgiev. Their defense is just awful. If you pay attention to them. A shot there, save. So if you were on TV, you could really be able to see it. The front shot, save. Use along the boards. Now in it. Antoine Roussel has it. Now on Scott. Kept in the Colorado end. Board pass out to center now Calvert. Over the line. Top of the circle. Waiting. Now Emmett. Shot there, directed up high, but not over the glass. Backing around McKinnon. Took a hit there, Quinn Hughes. 2 goals tonight. That's a lot of goals for Quinn Hughes. It's rare for him to get into double digits this season. As we've looked noticed over the last 3 years. McEwen. With the final minute shot just wide of the net. Backing around now into Scott. Picks it back up out to center. Now McKinnon. Skid on through over the line. Nico Rantanen now. In front of the backhand, knocked away in the corner. Backing around, all the way out to center ice, but no icing. Devontae's. But from the goal line now, into Scott McKinnon will start the rush. McKinnon, the front with a shot, saved by Demko. Travis Hamonic down low, 30 seconds remaining. What a win. What a night for the Canucks. Quinn used 2 goals. Incredible night by Patrick Demko. Hamonic, final 20 seconds. Nick Shuskin knocked down as got right at the goal line. Canucks, McEwen. Lost it there. Final seconds down period or Belmont. And Shuskin and the Canucks will get the victory 6-1 over the Colorado Avalanche. So the final horn sounds, and this one is in the books. Canucks with a 6-1 demolition of the Colorado Avalanche here at home. They win 6-1. Kyle McCarr with the only goal for Colorado. Quinn, highlight of the night for me at least. Quinn used 2 goals. That's rare for him. I know he doesn't get a hat trick, but still. That's really good for a defenseman like him. He does not score a lot. Barely scoring at all. No, I'm Thomas Heroes. You're listening to Canucks Radio on EA Sports Plus. I'm Thomas Heroes. Canucks win 6-1 at home in a blowout over the Colorado Avalanche here at Rogers Arena. Good night. See you in the next one. Vancouver wins 6-1 over the Colorado Avalanche here at home. Good night.